Today we're answering a common question. Can you connect a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 to an iPhone? If you're an iPhone user considering Samsung's latest smartwatch, this is for you. The short answer? No, you cannot. Starting with Galaxy Watch 4 and beyond, Samsung has completely dropped support for iOS devices. The Galaxy Watch 7 runs Wear OS and only pairs with Android smartphones. Here's what that means. You can install the Galaxy Wearable app on iPhone. It's required to pair and manage the watch. Even if you manage to pair it via Bluetooth manually, you'll miss most of the smart features, like app syncing, notifications, or health tracking. Samsung wants full ecosystem integration, so Watch 7 is designed for Samsung and Android users only. In the last, if you're using an iPhone, the Galaxy Watch 7 isn't compatible, and you're better off with an Apple Watch or a Wear OS device that still supports iOS, which are becoming rare. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech reviews.